what's up? In this episode, direct and to the point, we're going to be making cheesy garlic bread. It will be the cheesiest, the most garlickiest, the butteriest, and it's going to be so crunchy. It's one of my favorite things to make with pasta. And if you tuned in last week, we made pasta, and here's the cheesy garlic bread. So, stay tuned, and here we go. The ingredients we'll be using is 2 cups of mozzarella, a French bread that you can just buy from any store, 2 sticks of butter, and 10 cloves of garlic. I'm going to chop up the garlic and put it on a pan, put it on low heat, and it's on. Now that we've got all the butter and the garlic in the pan, we'll be putting it on a medium-low heat for about 10 minutes. And keep an eye on it and keep stirring it or it will burn. So we're mixing everything up. Got to keep stirring it constantly just to make sure that the garlic does not burn. And if you do leave this too long, it will burn. You'll have to start all over. It is quite a pain, but it's totally worth it. So here we are 10 minutes later, and yeah, everything's looking good. The whole goal here is to make clarified butter, which we've achieved here. We got rid of all the foam and nothing burnt, and that's the goal. So right here we're going to be pouring on the butter and the garlic all over each and every loaf. Make sure you get garlic on both breads. Spread it around nicely, and then layer 1 cup of cheese on each loaf of bread, and then we're going to pop it into the oven. Alright, now that these are in the oven, we'll be putting it in there for 350 for 10 minutes. And we'll check on them. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, they're looking pretty good. Now we just want to put it on to broil for 1 minute just to make that cheese nice and beautiful. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Looking nice. Let them cool, chop them up, and serve. Ooh, cheesy garlic bread. So crunchy, so good. This is a keeper. How would you just look at that cheesy garlic bread? Make sure you make some pasta with that, or else you're gonna be bumming, and that goes great with any pasta. Enjoy.